Hi, Tim Unker here. In this video, I want to talk about a way where you can easily do an HTML blog, not WordPress, something like that. If you want just a nice blog to be secure on a server, like a shared hosting server. So what I have here is I have the file system from my remote server at HostGator for one of my websites, timunkertcycling.xyz, just a I randomly got the domain. I decided I want to do a little cycling blog. So I've mounted it, and you can see the files that are on the remote server here. And I've got a simple text editor here. You can use anything. This is just Kwrite. And I can basically create a file and then open it and then edit it here. And like, for instance, let me cd into positioning here. And let's create a file with touch. We'll say touch, and then we'll call it, cleat position.html. Okay, so we've created that file, and now we can open it with Kwrite if we just do, or whatever text editor. You just type the name of the text editor and then the name of the file. And then it opens up, and we have the file here. Okay, so now we can start to build an HTML file, basically. And let me just hide the menu bar. Actually, let me bring it back there for a minute. Let's make this a little bit larger, just show you what you can do. So let's make the font like 18 here. Let's apply and OK. All right, so what we can do is we can just create our HTML file. So we have HTML. We have an HTML tag here, and then we're going to close it out here, and we'll have our head tag here. We'll probably have a title tag, something like cleat position, and then we'll close out, excuse me, close out our head tag, create a body tag, and maybe have a header one. So this is a post about cleat position, and we close out the header one, and then we start typing blah, blah, blah for our post. Okay, close that out, close out the body tag, and save it. Okay, and now what we can do is we can check out this site. So it'd be in the positioning folder here, and it's called cleat position.html. So if we load this up, we see that it's already saved on the server. So that's all we really have to do to be updating posts. Now, if I go to the main home page here, go here, we can see that I've got a little bit of styling, but it's basically just at the top of the HTML document. So if I really want to just inspect it here, and if you wanted the style, you could easily get it. Actually, I don't want to inspect. I want to view the page source here. So we could just go up here, copy this style here. Oops, copy all of this, and then paste it into here. Okay, and we might want to format it a little bit, but now I've saved it. And if I go back and refresh, you'll see that it brings it more to the center of the screen, and we've got it styled in the font that it is on the home page. So that's pretty easy. If you have a little bit of HTML knowledge, you can just start going ahead and start typing out your HTML, and you're good to go. Yeah, I just wanted to share that with you, just SSHFS and any text editor. I may write a post on this Kwrite. It's kind of interesting. If anyone wants to find that interesting, I probably won't post it with the video today, but I will probably post it in the description maybe tomorrow or the next day. I want to thank you for watching. I hope to see you in the next one. If you like this video, please like it, as it will help get out to more people. And yeah, that's it for today. See you tomorrow. Bye.